Today I'm in my amazingly awesome vintage shop, and we have this purse which a friend gave me to sell, and the interior has a lot of pen marks. So I'm about to try tea tree oil on it to see if we can get these marks out. This is a really nice little 50s vintage bag. Kind of unusual. It has this wonderful zipper. Goes all the way around, like picnic basket style. I'm down in the workshop now and literally put this much tea tree oil. It's just like a drop. And we're going to start on this little corner and see what we can do. For this great little vintage purse, I've tried tea tree oil, 3-in-1 oil, Goo Gone, peppermint oil, rubbing alcohol, which did nothing. Peppermint oil did nothing. The best product is the tea tree oil by far. It actually is taking it off. Forget about the rest. Can't believe people say that actually works. So the bag is probably 85% better. I mean, it's almost clear with the tea tree. This was the worst corner.